Bonjour. Welcome to another simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a natural exchange at the post office between a customer and a postal worker. Stay until the end, where we'll review useful words and phrases from the dialogue with real examples. Let's begin.
Bonjour, je voudrais envoyer ce colis, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I would like to send this parcel, please.
Bonjour, madame. Avez-vous déjà rempli le formulaire d'envoi? Hello, ma'am. Have you already filled out the shipping form?
Oui, je l'ai rempli chez moi. Yes, I filled it out at home.
Parfait. Où souhaitez-vous l'envoyer? Perfect. Where would you like to send it?
En Allemagne, à Berlin. To Germany, to Berlin.
Très bien. Posez le colis ici, s'il vous plaît. Very well. Place the parcel here, please.
Le voilà. Here it is.
Merci, je vais le peser. Il pèse 1,5 kg. Thank you. I'll weigh it. It weighs 1.5 kilos.
Combien de temps faut-il pour arriver? How long does it take to arrive?
Avec l'envoi standard, environ 5 jours ouvrables. With standard shipping, about 5 working days.
Est-ce qu'il y a une option plus rapide? Is there a faster option?
Oui, l'envoi express arrive en 2 jours. Cela coûte 25 €. Yes, express delivery arrives in 2 days. It costs 25 €.
D'accord, je vais prendre l'express alors. Okay, I'll take the express then.
Très bien. Vous payez comment? Very well. How would you like to pay?
Par carte, s'il vous plaît. By card, please.
D'accord. Insérez votre carte et tapez votre code, s'il vous plaît. All right. Insert your card and enter your code, please.
C'est fait. It's done.
Merci. Voici votre reçu et la preuve d'envoi. Thank you. Here is your receipt and proof of shipment.
Merci beaucoup pour votre aide. Thank you very much for your help.
Je vous en prie. Bonne journée. You're welcome. Have a good day. Well done. You just followed a practical conversation in French. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases you heard, complete with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Colis.
Parcel.
Formulaire.
Form.
Poids.
Weight.
Reçu.
Receipt.
Preuve.
Proof.
Carte.
Card. Verbs.
Envoyer.
To send.
Remplir.
To fill out.
Peser.
To weigh.
Payer.
To pay.
Coûter.
To cost.
Insérer.
To insert.
Taper.
To type, enter.
Arriver.
To arrive.
Faire.
To do. Adjectives.
Rapide.
Fast.
Standard.
Standard. Prepositions.
Chez.
At someone's place. Great job! You've just learned how to send a parcel at the post office in French, asking about delivery times, prices, and payment. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the dialogue to build your confidence and fluency. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. À bientôt!